Hi guys, today I'll be discussing about how to change the title and the favicon in Dash app. So Dash is really a cool application where we can create dashboards very quickly. So let me show you how to do the title and the favicon changes. So this is the code for just displaying like changing favicon and title. I'll just run this and I'll show you how does this look in the browser. So it says it's running on port number 8888. So let's go and let's have a quick check on how it looks. Okay, it's working as expected. But one thing which is annoying is the title of the tab and the favicon. It's using the default thing, which is the dash logo. It's very simple to change these things. I'll just show you how to do that. So we'll go back to our editor. For changing the title, the code goes like this: app.title equal to the string value. Let's give it as favicon and let's rerun it again. Yeah, it's up and running. Let's see whether it has changed or not. Just refresh the page. Yeah, it's changed to favicon. It's changed as expected. Now let's see how to change the default logo in the title bar. The first thing which we need to do is we need to create a folder directory called assets, and then we need to move the required favicon into this under this directory. So I have a smiley over here. I just wanted to copy and paste this over there. So this is under the downloads folder. So let's quickly go to that. Okay, I'll just copy. Just let me clear the screen. It's a downloads. It's named as favicon.ico. And now I'm moving that inside the asset folder. Okay, let us see that has moved or not. Yeah, it has moved up. Now we'll go back to the code editor and we'll just stop the server and run it again. Just a quick check. Yeah, the thing is there. I'll just rerun. Yeah, like we can see, as we can see, the both the title and the favicon has changed. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions regarding the same, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for your time.